Hello, today we're going to show you how to create a dinner table using FreeCAD. This tutorial is designed for beginners and is very straightforward. Let's get started. Open FreeCAD and create a new project. Go to the Part Design workbench. Create a new body, then open the sketcher. Select the XY plane and click OK. Use the Create Ellipse tool to draw an ellipse, or a circle, at the center of the sketch. Adjust the dimensions based on your desired table size and shape, oval or circular. Click Close to finish the sketch. Select the sketch and click on Pad. Set the thickness for the tabletop, then click OK. Now the tabletop is ready. Smooth the edges. Select the top edge of the table. Click on Chamfer. Set the type to 2 distances and adjust the values to smooth the edge. Click OK, then repeat the process for the bottom edge to make both sides smooth. Creating the table base. Create a new body and open Sketcher again. Choose the XZ plane, then click OK. Use the Polyline tool to draw the side profile of the table shaft, starting from the center point. You can design the shaft to be straight, rounded, or tapered, as you prefer. Click Close to finish the sketch. Select the sketch, then choose Revolve. Set the axis and angle, usually 360 degrees, to create the full stand. Click OK to complete the table leg. That's it. Now you have a complete dinner table model with a smooth top and elegant base. Great job. It's a simple project, perfect for getting comfortable with FreeCAD's basic tools. If you try it, let me know how it goes. Feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more FreeCAD tutorials.